Creating an Airtable interface allows you to create custom views for your team to interact with your data in a more user-friendly way. This can be useful for task management, project tracking, and more. Here's how to create an interface in Airtable. Create or open a base. Start by creating a new base or opening an existing one where you want to create the interface. Access the Interface Builder. On the top bar, click on the Interfaces tab. If you don't see it, ensure that your plan supports this feature. Click Create New Interface to begin building. Select Interface Type. Choose from various interface types depending on your needs. For example, Grid View, a simple table view, Kanban View, a project management style view, Calendar View to manage time-based data, Form View for collecting new data from users. Customize the interface. After selecting the view type, customize the layout by adding fields, records, and filters. Drag and drop elements to arrange them based on how you want users to interact with the data. Set permissions. Set permissions to control who can view or edit the interface. You can provide access to specific users or teams within your organization. Save and share. Once your interface is set up, save and share it with others by generating a unique link or embedding it into other platforms.